the ultimate solution for marketers, banned from Facebook ads. If you're a marketer who's been banned from creating ads on Facebook, you know the struggle: policy violations, account suspensions. It's frustrating and can bring your marketing strategy to a standstill. But today, I have the final solution you need, one that you won't find in any other YouTube video. Facebook uses advanced detection systems to track accounts, flagging any minor policy violation, which can lead to costly bans and restrictions. Once you're flagged, the process of recovering access is long and tedious, often forcing you to start over. But imagine a way to keep marketing on Facebook without this constant worry of detection and banning. Let me introduce anti-detection tools, which can transform the way you operate. Anti-detection tools. The solution Facebook doesn't want you to know about. With tools like AdsPower and GoLogin, you can create profiles that appear as completely separate accounts, each with its own unique digital identity. These tools mask your digital fingerprint and let you run multiple accounts securely, bypassing Facebook's detection systems and allowing you to maintain campaigns smoothly. Here's how to get started. 1. Choose your anti-detection tool. AdsPower and GoLogin are two of the best, offering easy account management and high-level security across platforms. For this tutorial, I'll use AdsPower, and there's an exclusive discount link below for my followers, so don't miss out. 2. Set up unique profiles for each account. Use AdsPower to create individual profiles for each Facebook account. Customize the operating system and device type to simulate real user behavior, which is crucial for avoiding detection. 3. Add a reliable proxy for each account. Use a separate proxy for each profile. IPRoyal Residential Proxies work well for this purpose. A unique IP for each account ensures that Facebook treats each profile as coming from a distinct location. Test your setup. Before fully launching your campaigns, test each profile by running small ads or interactions. This ensures everything appears authentic to Facebook's algorithms. This is the only solution you need. Using AdsPower and IPRoyal Proxies means you don't just solve your current issues with Facebook. You also set up a secure, scalable system for managing multiple accounts. By using the discount link below, you can get started with AdsPower and finally manage your accounts without the fear of detection. If you found this guide helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated on more digital marketing strategies. See you in the next video.